how to change what you are looking for option in Tinder. Welcome to How Logical. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to change what you are looking for option in Tinder, allowing you to customize your preferences to match your evolving preferences. To begin, open your Tinder application in your mobile device and click on the human icon at the right below to navigate to your profile page. On your profile page, spot the pencil icon just above your profile picture. Click on it to enter the editing mode. Scroll down and you will find looking for option under relationship goals. Click on it to access the menu where you can adjust your preferences. In this section, you can easily change your preferences based on what you are currently looking for on Tinder. Simply click on your preferred option and congratulations, you have successfully updated what you are looking for option on Tinder, ensuring that your profile accurately reflects your current interests and intentions. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.